I got a job. I know. Didn't you just make a video telling us all to quit our jobs? Yeah, but between that time and now, I ran out of money. So it's back to banking for me. I started last week and Monday is Labor Day, so I'm gonna drive to Maine. The reason I'm going to Maine is for seafood. I have 3 days, so round trip it will be 1,000 miles, 3 days, and I guess Saturday night, Sunday night, I'll be home by Monday. 2 nights, 3 days. Good boy, I love you. Okay, without any further ado, let's get on the road or I won't make it back in time for my job. How's it sound like that? On the road again. Remember, baby, I don't know the words, but we're on the road again. Oh, in the wrong way. In the near future, I'm gonna show you how I spent all of that money. Obviously, Apple chair. Co-pilot.
The slave is sickly little. We'll never get that smile.
So I've driven about 200 miles. I'm somewhere in Massachusetts, which is gross. And I saw that my tires are not equally inflated. And I have never inflated my tires. 4 minutes is $1.50. So apparently I made it worse because that light is on now and it says check tire pressure. Let's try this again, round 2. Another $1.50. You know, I'm starting to think that the seafood might actually not be too cheap, all things considered. Okay, so I did not fix it. Regardless, I'm not gonna spend like more money. I'm not gonna spend $10 on air. Get back on the road. 3 more hours to go.
Boy, good pee, yes.
I'm pretty close to Boston right now, and I'm done driving for the day, but I drove about 300 miles. With 3 toppings, $8. I think it's a crazy good deal. So that's what I have today. It really brings me back to college.
Over running your offense, ensuring that at the very least you're
Oh no, stop. There's a whole large pizza. I'm gonna take Apple on one more walk and then we're gonna start our bedtime routine. We are camped out at a Planet Fitness again. I feel right at home. Apple, do not lick the ground. Holy cow. How do I do this? Good night, buddy. This happens sometimes when I'm driving so many miles in a day, but I just got so tired. So I'm gonna take a little break at this rest area, and luckily when you have your house in the back of your car, you can take a nap pretty easily. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West. And that nap slapped, and my dog peed outside. Wow. It tastes like hot garbage. We are 2 hours and 15 minutes away from Maine, like the edge of Maine. So I didn't eat any food today. I'm gonna, since I'm gonna make it, now that I know I'm gonna make it to Maine today, I'm just gonna only have seafood when I get there, you know, for the value. Ooh, hey, hello, we're in Maine. Actually, we're sat right outside of Luke's Lobster in Portland, Maine. The line got pretty long. Good timing. Sick. Okay, I did not come to a cheap place. I want more lobster.
We also have
but
a 2-pound lobster.
Smaller.
Anything else? How's everything look over here?
I gave away my fork. Shipyard.
Of course.
Thank you. Thanks so much. Yeah, I did not really save money on this trip. Okay, let's go home. I gotta go walk my dog. Every single hour that I drive tonight will make it easier for myself tomorrow morning. Okay, we are about 150 miles away from New York. So I just drove 4 hours and about 250 miles probably. And it's 1 a.m. and I can drive no more. So we are going to sleep at this rest area on the highway. All right, good night, guys. Good morning. We have 101 miles to go, which will take me 2 hours and 20 minutes. I'm gonna go brush my teeth in there. We're back home. Happy Labor Day. I made it back to New York. Not even noon on a Monday. So I'm gonna make it back on time for work, no problem. That was a pretty cool trip. I really liked Maine. I don't think I found cheap seafood, but it was fantastic. 3 days, 2 nights, no hotel rooms. So I got to spend all that money on gas and fun. And that's the whole point, right? Love ya. Bye.